best quality 4K rollers out there with you and a friend. And that, my friends, this is what you need right here, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This right here is the game changer because this gives you the best, highest quality cinematic videos out there possible. Now, today we're going to dive in deep and I'm going to show you guys all the settings that I use to get videos like this. Like this. And like this. And also, guys, I'm gonna give you guys all the gear that I use when it comes to audio, because you have a crispy video, you need perfect audio to go along with it. So let's dive in and let's talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. To our pro settings, 1/50 and 50/400 when it comes to 4K quality. So we're gonna press confirm on that. Now we get down to our white balance. This is where it gets really tricky. So we'll make sure our white balance is always at auto, because say if you filming under a tunnel, then all of a sudden you get to natural light again, to make sure that it's balanced out. Now right now, as you can see on my screen, it's really light, because you see it's positive 3.0. Now you want to be between 0.0. I'm gonna show you guys how to get there in just a second. Yeah, one more thing we're gonna jump into is our color. I like to shoot in D-Log because it gives me a better color grade when it comes to coloring in Final Cut Pro. So if I might want to add a lux on top of this, it's gonna give it more of a pop. And focus mode, keep it on continuous, because if you're not keeping on continuous, your focus or your object that you're filming will go off focus, and now you don't want that. So as you can see right now, this is very light, and you don't want that at all. So as you can see, like I said before, 3.0 up here, and it's a lot of light coming in. So you want to make sure you always pick up some ND filters. These ND filters right here. This is the best ND filters you want to get. You have ND8, ND16, and so on. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an ND32 right here. And basically what an ND filter is, you have all your settings and you don't want to change nothing. So this is like wearing sunglasses. So once you put this over here on top of that, it looks like that you need to create the perfect cinematic video right here. So guys, if you want to know everything, just make sure you have a 1/50 shutter speed, ISO between 500/400. You want to make sure your focus mode is on continuous, and you want to shoot in D log. And also, like I said, make sure you pick up a pair of your ND filters, because without these you will not get the perfect quality out there. Your quality will still be good, but at the same time it will not, because it might be too much light that's coming into your camera and you cannot have that crispiest video ever. And this right here is just push a shade over it like wearing sunglasses. Before we jump into the audio, I want to talk about this right quick. You guys don't know what this is. This is the Move Max tripod. Now this one is the best one out there, because I truly believe this is the most quality one when it comes to the style and how it's made. And it's so sturdy when you go over train tracks or any other rough terrain. If somebody's filming, you want to make sure you always have a nice stabilization and it's always stable. This is the tripod that you need to go with right here, the Move Max tripod. Let's jump into the audio. Now, everybody always wonder, what type of mic do people use to get the most crispiest audio out there? And me personally, guys, I chose the M5 Rode mic. This mic right here is so good. It picks up on audio crazy, and also it's very easy to use when it comes to your H5 Zoom transmitter. This right here is so good because you have 2 ports for your XLR cables. Now, when I do audio, I like to have one for the exhaust. I like to have one for intake. Very easy to operate. I will do a breakdown video on this one day, guys, to show you how to do this. But the downside of this, you have to use AA batteries. And I tell you guys, you will use a lot of AA batteries. I probably went through almost 20 already. One session of filming for 20 minutes, this is almost going to die on you. So you want to make sure you buy a lot of batteries when it comes to the H5 Zoom transmitter. That being said, you got your mic, you got your transmitter, you need a mount. So this right here is my mount, M5 Rode mic holder. And it comes when I just super glue mine onto it, because it's going to be something that I always want to grab and go. Don't have to worry about screwing. And these right here, suction cups, are the best. These are so easy to operate and they're very stable. And I like the push thing. Keep on pushing until you don't see the red line, and the guys are not going anywhere. And we'll jump over to our cables. Now, for me, I got the 10-foot cable because me personally, when I do film audio, guys, I like to place my audio right here in this area, film down to my exhaust, and I like to run my cable all the way through the car, and it gets right here at my seat. A dead cat. This is what goes over your microphone. Make sure you block out all the wind noises possible. Now with this right here, it blocks a lot of wind noise, especially when you're going really fast on highways, interstates. Filming with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 side, the settings, and also I gave you guys what type of gear I use for audio. Have the perfect audio out there and also the perfect video out there, the perfect quality ever. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I really did a breakdown for you guys. I really want to show you guys what I use on a day-to-day basis when I film my videos, because me personally, a lot of people like to gatekeep online, like to keep a lot of things under the table, but everybody should be able to get the same gear and go out there and have fun and just make the best quality possible. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, get the camera, have fun with it, and film, and I'll see you guys later.